Okay, so today I'm going to use this GODSPEED 4-piece arm to show how to adjust the lane while in the car. So this arm, first is the short arm that we want to show you. This arm has reverse thread. One side is counterclockwise to go out, extend, and clockwise to go in, and the other side is clockwise to go out and counterclockwise to go in. So with this reverse thread, we can simply adjust the length of the arm while on the car without remove the arm for adjustment. So let me show you. So pretend it, the arm is on the car. So when we turn the arm, it will be extend the length. And when we turn another way, it will be adjust back. So let's say this is the correct length of the arm. After you done, you will have to lock this jam nut toward to the middle pieces to lock the arm in place. So remember, don't extend the thread more than 20 millimeters on both ends. And always we want to make the thread evenly on both sides. Okay, the next one we want to show is the longer arm with one side of the adjustment. So on this one, we will see there's 3 lugs. So these 2 lugs we call jam lug to lock the arm after we done the adjustment, and the middle lug we call adjuster. When we adjust the arm length, we only need to turn the middle lug to extend for adjustment. So let me show you. Pretend that the arm is on the car. We don't have to take it off. So all we need is turn the lug, so after we adjust the length, we have to lock the lug, the jam lug, to the middle piece of the arm and turn this to here to lock, close to the adjuster. Remember, we want adjust the length on these 2 ends evenly. Let's say, for example, we want to adjust 10 millimeters, and we want also adjust here to 10 millimeters at the same. And remember, don't go over 20 millimeters for safety. Thank you.